Hello everybody. In this video we are going to be solving Fawn from Hack the Box. So let's get started. And before starting we need to connect to the VPN. So sudo openvpn start.ovpn. So we can just connect to the OpenVPN here, and we should be connected right here. So it should show us we are connected in some time. Okay, so it shows us we are connected. It's green now, so we can deploy our machine. And while it's deploying, I want to tell you something about this machine. So it's you can see it by the name here. So you can see it in the tags. So tags is FTP, network, protocols, and I don't know how to fucking pronounce it, and anonymous access. Okay, anyways, we are gonna be waiting for it to create. They gave me a random server error here. I'm not sure why, but don't worry, it's nothing. And by the way, I have not I have completed my machine. Okay, so I'm just gonna be showing how it works and walk through and all the answers. Okay, so you don't need to worry, and it's a very beginner friendly guide, anyways. I got the IP address right here, and we got the first question, which is, what does the 3-letter acronym FTP stands for? So it's FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, and you can guess like what is mean by the name, so it's File Transfer Protocol. And what port does FTP usually listen on? So FTP service is usually normally on port 21. It can be on port 20 as well, but like normally, yeah, it's on 21. What acronym is used for the secure version of FTP? So you can guess it by name. So the secure version of FTP is SFTP, and FTP is not very secure because it can expose data. So there is FTP, which belongs to secure shell protocol. I mean, you don't need to worry about that, but just know that there's FTP and there is a secure version of FTP, which is SFTP, which stands for Secure File Transfer Protocol. Okay, anyways, next is, what is the command we use to send an ICMP echo request? So as you all know, it's ping and then the IP address right here, so yeah. Now the next question is, from your scan, what version is FTP running on the target? So now we need to perform an nmap scan, and I'll explain to you what nmap scan is. So as we all know, in order to, I'm not going too much deep in nmap, okay, but if you want to know the version of services running on a target, you need to use this -sv, which will basically scan for the versions. So V is for versions on a target. And also, if you want to know how much progress are you doing with nmap, you can press enter and it will show you the progress. Anyways, it completed all the scan, and now we can see there is FTP open, and this is running this version. This is the version of FTP, and any other information, they are this all open, but these are filtered. And our operating system is Unix, so this is the version it is running, and you can now copy it and paste it here. Next question is, from your scan, what OS type is running on your target? So we can see it's Unix, so this one is Unix. What is the command we need to run in order to display the FTP client help menu? So if you want to interact with FTP, you need to use the FTP client, and if you don't have FTP client installed, you can just do sudo apt install FTP, and if it should install. I have already installed it, so I'll press FTP-H, and it will tell me how to use it. It will explain it to me how everything works and how I can use it. Anyways, we know FTP is open now, so we can basically log in using FTP, I suppose. And let's see the first next question. So what is the username that you use over FTP when you log in without having an account? So this username is anonymous. If you want to log in without having an account, so it's anonymous. It's just anonymous. So what is the response code we get for login successful. So let me just log in. So I will press FTP, then the IP address, and then the name. It told me it's anonymous, so I can just copy it, paste it right here. I'll press enter, and password is, it didn't tell us the password, so I suppose there is no password. I'll press enter, and 2:30 login successful. So we are in the machine now, and this code login successful is 2:30. There are a couple of commands we can use to list the file and available on directories available on FTP server. One is there. What is the other command? So if you want to list files, you can use the list command, which is ls, and here are all the files like flag.txt. Okay, so this is ls. What is the command to download file we found on FTP server? So if you find a a thing on FTP server, a file, you can download by get and the file name. So it should be downloading in your local home directory, so home folder, and I should have a flag here. So this is a flag, and I can like submit it right here, and my machine will be completed. So this is all for this machine, Fawn. It's a very easy machine, and if you guys have any questions regarding this machine, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can join my Discord server or my ID. I will link them in description. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned something new, and you can now just after completing the machine, you can stop the machine. And sorry for my bad English. Okay, I'm not English native. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you. Bye.